The Wine Investment Fund Canada Limited was established in 2008, but basically it is a sister fund of the Wine Investment Fund Limited, which is a fund that was established in 2003 in the UK, of which I'm a director and founding director. The Wine Investment Fund Limited, in other words, the UK branch, now has approximately $75 million under management, and as I mentioned before, it's a 5-year investment period wherein money is raised, the wine is purchased, held for 5 years, and then the investment is liquidated and the cash is returned to the investors. So in 2003, which was the first tranche, after 5 years, which was August 2008, we returned 108.61% profit. And that's net of all expenses, of all performance fees, etc. Since the early 80s, wine has outperformed every other asset class with a return for people who are not particularly knowledgeable in the business of approximately 11 to 12%. Obviously, if we're doubling one's money in 5 years, the compounded the compounded return is 18.5% approximately. In 2008, which obviously was a horrific year for all investment classes, the Wine Investment Fund returned an average, or lost on average through its tranche, 4.3%, which goes to indicate that the what has been stated all along, that the Wine Investment Fund, or an investment in wine, is marginally to neutrally correlate to the stock market. And we have found that up until November, the values of wine were holding their own. October was neutral, November was down substantially. And that's after the whole fallout from Lehman's and Bear Stearns, etc. And people were frightened, obviously. And then in December, first 2 weeks of December, the market was quite soft. Then we start to see a firming, and the firming continued through January, and at the end of January, the figures from LiveX, and we mark to market off something called LiveX, which is the London International Vintners Exchange, obviously based in London, and LiveX operates an index listed on Bloomberg. It's called the LiveX 100. Anyway, in January, LiveX was up for the first time in 4 months. We have traditionally outperformed LiveX, and we're confident that the Wine Investment Fund Canada will outperform the LiveX in January and in the foreseeable future.